Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So task scheduler service is not available. How to fix and how to solve this problem? So guys, click to start button and type REGI registry edit and click to yes. Then go to local machines, systems, then current console set, and then service, and then scroll down and then schedules. SC schedule. Then guys, right click new TWRD 32-bit value and type create the REGISTRY key and then enter. And guys, double click to the value is number 2 and then OK and then close. And then guys, restart your system. 100% solve your problem. Not just comment me, I will help you. Okay, bye bye, take care.